So somehow we ended up with an excess of aluminum beer cans, and we decided we might get into smelting and try to make it into our pieces.
A melting furnace is hundreds of bucks, so we thought we'd see if we could do it on the cheap.
So most people, when they make these little forges, people do them in flower pots and all that kind of stuff. We're just gonna go straight with the chimney, fill it with charcoal, light it on fire, blow air into it, put our crucible in the top, throw a bunch of beer cans and old aluminum in.
I was just wondering, like, this spatters. We're gonna get burned badly.
How'd you get the hole through your head? Do you have your fleece guard on?
Covered in it.
Well, let's take this stuff and go outside and try it.
I got this.
Don't try this at home, kids. We're almost professionals. We just took a barbecue chimney. It was a $20 barbecue chimney. Filled it up with charcoal.
Is that gonna fall?
If it does, watch your toes. Blew some air into it.
It's gonna melt our house?
Yep.
It's gonna light our table on fire?
Yep. And then had a crucible, which is the container that you essentially melt your metal into. Oh, look, red hot. Yeah. Now we're cooking. We took some old aluminum and melted it down. Oh yeah, it's melting. Oh yeah. I think we're ready for a pour.
Oh yeah?
For our first try, we're trying a car-shaped cake mold to see if we can make an aluminum car. Oh! I'm glad my foot wasn't under that.
No kidding.
But we ended up melting a hole right through the cake mold.
It's got an antenna.
Let's tune in the radio. Go for a drive.
It's tinfoil. It really
We
is
made
tinfoil.
Try something else? Right now I'm burying the mushrooms that we're going to try and cast with the aluminum, and we're just leaving the little stem of the mushroom exposed. So when we have the molten aluminum, we're gonna try and pour it onto the stem. It will hopefully burn out the mushroom, almost like lost wax casting. So the mushroom disappears, the aluminum takes its place, it cools down, and then we've got an aluminum mushroom. I'd say we have enough for a mushroom in there. Okay, watch your toes. The one thing with this project, you have to be super careful. I nearly got molten aluminum through my leg. Am I ever glad that little aluminum bullet didn't hit me in the leg?
That would burn right through your clothes.
Yeah. Yeah. So with our last bit of aluminum, we gave it one more try. Okay, here we go. It smells like roasted mushrooms. What do you think? Do you want to see what happened with those ones?
It was really interesting.
Ooh, that's kind of neat. It's the best thing we've made.
It's kind of cool.
It certainly didn't make a perfect metal mushroom, but I love melting aluminum. You'll lose your eye.
That's an image I'm gonna try to forget. I'm not sure that our art's going in the Guggenheim, but we learned a lot of concepts.
Art is in the eye of the beholder. If it goes wrong, it's gonna go terribly wrong.
Safety tip on this would be don't do it, maybe.